Nothing can be hidden from you. I see this comment often in my videos, and I quote it. They hid this from us. My immediate thought is, but you found it. If it was hidden, you would not have found it. This is the thing, guys. You have the ability to get any information you want at any time. No one, and I repeat, no one can hide anything from a god or goddess when they are ready for it. All you have to do is ask for what you want, and you will be led to what you desire. It's that simple. But if you believe that you don't have the power to find it, or you know nothing about it, then the information will not present itself to you. Think about this. How many times have you wanted to know something and the information seems to magically appear in your video feed? Do you think that happens by accident or chance? No, you created it. You're just not aware of your power. Ask the question and your consciousness will direct you to it, or it will seemingly, like magic, appear. Pay attention to it from now on. And watch what happens now that you are aware of it. What you'll do first is discount it. You'll be like, nah, that was not true. It just didn't happen. It was luck. Something to that effect. But it is the truth. When you're ready, any knowledge you want will be available for you. Mark my words. Asking for what you want is confirmed in the Gospel of Matthew 7, verse 7. It says, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. That's what the scripture is telling you. The ancients knew this. All you have to do is ask. You are gods and goddesses, not victims. I posted this on my community page first. A KCL community member, empath with an attitude, came back with some really good questions about this meme. Here's their slightly edited comment for clarity. They said, Grand Rising, first of all, I thank you for all that you do. But this is what I wanted to ask you on a live before. How long do we give ourselves to be angry when the truth starts to coming to us? Or how do we get ourselves to have the mindset of being pissed off? Because the more truth I uncover, the angrier I get. How can we talk ourselves down from that disappointment? Here's my answer to those questions. Good question. How long will it take? When your vibration matches the spirit of the information that was uploaded into Ma'at or consciousness. If you cannot match the vibration, the information is closed to you. If you're angry, upset, etc., you lock yourself off from this knowledge. Why? Because you're operating from a mindset that they did something to you or withheld the knowledge from you. Your anger is from a place of feeling powerless or duped in some way. The deeper feeling really is if they would change, then I would be able to have this knowledge. But because they are evil and are more powerful than me, they need to change in order for me to get this knowledge. It's not true. It's only your beliefs. Your beliefs create your reality. Your anger is a frequency different from the knowledge you desire. You shift when you know thyself as God and Goddess. In that mindset, you are the creator, not a victim. You understand that they are part of a game for the souls. You reorient to the thought process of it being a game to help you gain the knowledge of being a god or goddess, not someone or some others being more powerful than you. You follow what I mean? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously expanded and vibrationally uplifted by this.